How to log in to Discover Bank credit card or sign up online for the Discover app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can log into your Discover Bank credit card account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So to log into our Discover Bank credit card account, go ahead and then make sure to launch the Discover application here. Once you launch a Discover application, here you'll find this option called register an account, so make sure to tap on it. And over here you'll find registered credit card account, so make sure to tap on that option again. So all you have to do is simply make sure to enter your credit card account number over here. If you have already received your Discover credit card, make sure to enter them, enter the expiration date, and then here you can see enter primary login, and then you can also enter birthday. Tap the continue option to activate your basically create a credit card account. If you already have an account and you want to log in, you can see create login. You can just tap the create login option, and then you'll be able to enter all of your login details and log into your Discover credit card account. This way you'll be able to log in or sign up for Discover credit card account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.